So, hello everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel, and this is Khalil from Bollock Trades, and in this video I'm gonna only talk about some news and a trade that I lost because I just lost a trade this morning. Well, I'm gonna talk why I lost, because yeah, it was my fault, not the market, and that was it. Let's get into the video and got some, spices for the audience that I don't have. So I want to talk about this trade because it was my fault, my mistake, because the market actually had a little bit of break of the trend line and earlier and 3 or 5 hours before, and then prices steadily were going up, and there was a kind of a little bit resistance area, and when prices were pulling back, and I thought there was a second entry long, and prices reacted again to the trend line with this bearish ball, but it wasn't a good signal ball, and I entered. I thought it was a second entry long, a two-legged move, but then prices actually this is the first mistake. I entered in this trade before prices actually go above the EMA. So when you think that you wanna go long, let's say that prices are moving steadily, boom, hold on, like this, but the EMA is here up. Never go buy below the EMA, okay? So if you want to go buy, go go long above the EMA, so when prices go up. So I guess that was my mistake. As you can see, I entered below the EMA, and that was it. There was a failed second entry long to the EMA, and yeah, it was actually some news too. So prices moved really bearish so quick. So yeah, that was the trade, and now let's go to the second subject. So while you're watching, right, you guys did right. Yes, I'm publishing my own book, and it's gonna be the real path to profitability, and it's gonna be from 0 to 100, whatever your level is, wherever you are, whatever you are at level in trading, it doesn't matter. This is gonna be too cheap, and it's also on I had some couple networks, some people I know when I was a marketer, and I published it on Barnes and Noble's Rocketing, it's a Rocketing famous from Barcelona and football team players and shit. Apple Books, Everend, Tolino, OneDrive, Cloud Library, Hopka, Value. True. Anyway, Borrow Books, Smashwords, Grand Theft Fable. That's also gonna be on App Store and shit, because it's not also on ebook. There is also a print book, and it's also a different price for the print in book. It's gonna have anything you're gonna need to learn trading. From the introduction about what is price action, it's gonna be what is price action. Let's go and see publish. Let's say boom. Hold on. So we're going inside the book. Price action mastery. So this is gonna be the book, the beginning of the book, and you're gonna have price action trading mastery, path to profitability, and it's gonna be the volume one. I'm not done yet. So this is the summary. You're gonna go to the table content while you're gonna learn and rules, introduction. There's a copyright for me writing this book, and yeah, for the last pages, it's gonna be me, the author, about the author, and this is the things that I don't write. I didn't write this one. The guys who helped me to write the book wrote things about me because they knows me so well. I had some couple interviews about this one, and I just went to Tunisia 2 days ago, and I had some couple meetings and some interviews about this one, so I can publish it in Apple, Apple, say it Apple, what the fuck. So I'm gonna publish it in Apple Books, and also if you can see, this one's a project audio. I'm actually moving it to an audiobook too. So I mean, it's not about money or something, it's not about the things. It took me like almost 500 hours in total. It's not about like I don't know. It's not about the work I put in or the money. It's about like I wanted to help the most, like most people as I can. I mean, I wanted to reach people. That's why if I talk to people like through Apple. I really wanted to help the next like a newer generation, the people that getting scammed because it's like when you hear trading, it's always like obviously, oh scam, it's a scammer, gamble and shit. So when when I actually like look at this, I feel like so sad about it. I mean, I feel so sad about it, and I said like, why doesn't I like write a book or do something like so I can reach the world? And it's not about me being famous or something. I just want to help some people. I just want people to be like so good at it. And so as you can see, this is like active because my audiobook is active right now and everything is under review and it's like getting published. So yeah, this is my book and I just want to help people. I just want to like see a lot of people being like free financially. I want to help as much as I could, and I want to help like really I want to help people as much as I could. This is everything I want to do. That's why I started. That's why I started teaching people. And it's not for money. I don't teach people for money. I don't take money from people. A lot of people that I use to teach know that I do it for free because I don't need people's money. I'm so fine. I'm fine with myself. I'm financially free. I'm stable, and I'm doing it for people for free because I feel this is the right thing to do. And when you help people, you're doing yourself a good job. Like you're doing yourself so great. Like personally, I'm doing myself greatly. So this is it. And yeah, that was the whole video. I wish you guys the best, and I am sorry that I don't post too much, and I'm actually like gonna start actually like posting as much as I could and as much as possible in the next few days. I'm just like I was so busy in this project, and that was it. Good luck.